Bah Erwin ke sutengah ubadang syuan men penyeso syaka parti Kongres ula Thalaiñ ke Sorkar MDA hapo ke jingelang mukan rat ke sangma kumu menteri rangba ubah man kapor upani ki sakhi satar halor ke jingkhaïi bati dewïong beaiñ ha ke jela ubah Erwin ula ong ba menta kala pau syai ba ke jingti ibat khaïi dewïong beaiñ kaya chakmat ha ke jela ha ke ba utrai par dewïong na West Khasi Hills ula wan ban IT la dish ki pulit hadin biki armud kinong belati dewïong kila yap ha krem dewïong hatan shalang
Menem step na puli kasi long times ka bau presiden juga MPP uang ba say kita ki evidence hang no tan kata kecing ti doyong tu hang no kata kadi kecing kip bi anyu no doyong hari kita niti tang pesen menek report ke pediba utu try part doyong hapo salang bayap tang sen yap armut kinong try kibana asam kahap katuka kapar doyong ki yap kitu armut ulai surrender menem Kato kadika sakhi. Mendai tak kata kibun ki nuksa. Kibun ki nuksa kiba menpa ladeniya. Nomor beli ni hapan chania, nomor beli ni don ke opposition. Ni long rupai ba yo ya kata kejingtip ke banang ke Sorkar. Haka cut out February ka Long Times. Kara yakan gold trader, 4 others arrested in Assam for tax evasion worth crores. Syakem unong khaïi dewïong saungut hapo Assam bakim siu ya khajna kabadi klur kani kadika ik bak syakem hak income tax department ndai bakem pulit ndai bakem manu kem ke income tax kebelah ai deka an la ai kapan wa ikini but hangni anda pipuli kani no I want the people to read this again marbali ngidan very short memory kani ke jingkal ma ko jangi is very short, so short. No, especially in times of deep desperation, in times of need, in times of struggle, we forget. Now I want them to remember. Number 1, coal trader has been arrested. 4 of them have been arrested. The bigger problem here is that there is evasion of tax and loss of revenue to the state. Very serious question. Now they are saying, produce proof. Our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Peterson, always says, bring the proof, bring the proof. This is the classical defense. I am a lawyer. Classical defense of an accused who has been involved in criminal actions. He'll always say, proof, 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 proof. Because why? The law says you are guilty, you are innocent until proven guilty. So they take shelter behind this instead of being concerned, instead of saying, no, this is a very serious issue. We will not delay, we will order an inquiry, we will stop the thing, the police will have to do, but they won't do it. Why? Haka kat sa February. Haka sni Valentine's Day. Kami ke kubur pada mereka love letter, mereka love message. Kami ke message ke pendiau bah mining department allowed illegal coal trade and verbal orders. Hangni la thok, they have written that those who received the orders played safe as they ran the risk of being transferred for non-compliance, sources said. You control the mining department, you control the transportation department, you control the government, and you are misusing the government because why? Even if we file FIRs, FIR upon FIR have been filed. Today also that Nokma has filed in Garwales. La file kata, Hanrei, they are being covered up. Officers are being forced to go hand in glove. This I will end on mining on that note. An inquiry has been done. And I put the challenge to the MDA government. If you are really serious and you have no hand in this, and you want this to end, this allegation that you have given verbal order, ask the CBI to come in.